Good afternoon, everybody. What I have here, REGN on a 60-minute chart. We had a super gap up. The $400 calls paid big money, and the $432 puts paid money. There's a big round trip. So you had the 430 puts and the 435 puts on the top end of where that gap is. And basically, what it's done on that opening bell, and remember, this is the big daddy, REGN Pharmaceuticals, and you can clearly see right here on this 60-minute chart. And when it popped, we sold the calls, the $400 calls when it popped. When it popped and it started to come down, we bought the 435 and the 430 puts. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. Once again, this is during live market hours. Once again, I'm going to pull up a 3-minute chart. I'm going to put REGN in it. Okay. And you can see here where the 3-minute process was as far as the equity side goes. 430, we've gone straight down. Here's what it looks like. Here's that top. Happened just like that. And bam, sold the 400 calls, bam. And guess what? Bought the 435s and the 432s. Now, let's take a look at another thing that you need to know. Hold on one second. Pause. Here we go, everybody. This right here happens to be that 15-minute chart. And what we're talking about, how we bought these put options. This is live during the day. Here's the reversal. It came all the way back down slightly above where these gaps happened on the low and with the $400 calls and straight up bam, bam. And then we can see how it's pulled back, and we're looking at, again, buying the options intraday based on a wholesale entry and a wholesale exit as a market maker making both sides of the market. REGN on a monthly chart. The 20-month moving average is at 406, and it shot straight up here. The 10-month moving average at 434.2 on a monthly level. Here we go again. We're trading down here at 405. The previous day's close up here was 404. Yeah, it was. And we shot that monkey right up there to 42, 43 right here, 43, 32, 50, and that was a short right up there. Yes, it is, and was, and still remains. How to buy the call side and get the short side of this market. That's what a market maker is. And right, here we go. I'm going to show you once again, this is a $400 call chart daily. And what I want to emphasize to people is that REGN had reported earnings, and they did. And you could see the actual number of highs up here was only 56, and you had 112 highs right here. Okay, and so here's a really neat thing, is that the $400 calls paid straight up. Now, here's what I'm going to show you on the other side of this trade. The 435 put. This was the low right here on a daily chart. They gapped it down. And when they gapped down, the puts went straight in the toilet, and then they gapped the call side up. I'm going to show you once again what the bid and ask range was. Here it is, $11.30. The high on this contract was 22.30. The low was 11.26. Now, let me tell you where the success was. They closed 33.6 a couple of days ago, the other day. Now, that is where it topped out. We bought the puts. Let's take a look at the $400 call. The $400 call. Bingo, here it is. $400 call. 13.8 up to 28. There was a huge move on this one. Boy, was there ever. And it gave all its gains back up. Here's the low. Here's the high. Here's the low. Here's REGN. on a biotech stock, on an earnings play. It sold off. I showed the monthly chart. Learn how to get paid as a market maker. Join our free 5-day trial now.